Hey guys, it's ATO. What's up, you guys? It's ATO. What's up, you guys? Oh man, my cold is, it's staying in my mouth. It's not really working. It is the there's a speed model. No, look at them. There's the basics stuff I'm going to be using. So, I'm going to be clearing up my nose with this Nasonex stuff and see if it helps a little bit to get rid of all the gunk in my mouth. So I will talk to you guys when I'm doing it. Warning, it might be a little bit gagging and stuff, so give you the heads up. So talk to you guys when I'm done.
This is my vlog channel. Check out my main channel. Do. It's Go Dogs for One.
Hey guys. Oh, bless me. I can't stop sneezing, you guys. I was sneezing before this show. And I'm trying not to sneeze as much now. Trying not to, but I can probably still sneeze. So, that's pretty amazing and exciting. Really amazing. So, sorry that I did vlog. I did not vlog. I did vlog yesterday, but then when I got home, I pressed the wrong button because I sneezed, and I hit the delete button by mistake. And I'm like, I can't retrace the file. Like, I'm like, oh, all that work. So, I deleted the footage by mistake. So, bear with me while we are working on some new context with you guys. We're still doing, probably this afternoon, I'm probably going to do the Willet video today. So we can get that done and over with. And probably get some more ideas down on a piece of paper, because right now we have some Willets that we need to work on. That's gonna be fun and exciting. So I'll talk to you guys when I'm working on the Willets right now. Doing some shopping, you guys, yeah. I'm doing some shopping. What do you like, Emma?
Just see the chop first.
So that's what I'm doing. Gonna try some pomegranate ginger ale, so that's what I'm gonna be doing. So talk to you guys when I'm drinking. Doesn't taste that bad, you guys, but I would not get it again. You wanna try some?
Sure. See if I work.
It's okay.
I wouldn't go and say I want another bottle of it. But
No. So that's how it works. So comment down below what you guys' verdict is if you guys have tried that before. So tell me in the comments. Hey guys, I just got home and I got some meat pies, from Elaine and John. So that's pretty cool. I got some meat pies, homemade meat pies, which is awesome. So that's really amazing, you guys. Really awesome that you give me some meat pies, you guys. So I got 6 meat pies. That's awesome. So I'll talk to you guys when I am taking a nap because I'm tired. I'm beat. So I'll talk to you guys when I wake up. So I hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up. I can't stop sneezing, you guys. Today was the worst day for why I cannot stop sneezing. So I'll talk to you guys tomorrow with a brand new video. Goodbye.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, be sure to hit that like button. And if you're not subscribed, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Make sure to check out some more videos of mine right over there. And, oh, you didn't hit the like button yet?
how could you?
How
Dare you?
Thanks for watching. Bye.